Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google AI Studio to n8n step by step so you can start using Google's AI models inside your workflows. This setup is simple and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. On the left side of the screen, scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Click on Get API Keys. Once you're on the API Keys page, find an active API key. Copy that API key to your clipboard. Now switch over to n8n. Create a new workflow so we can set up the connection. In the empty workflow, click the plus icon to add a new node. Search for Gemini and select the Gemini node. Inside the Gemini node, look for the Credentials section. Click Create New Credentials. A new window will appear asking for your API key. Paste the API key you copied from Google AI Studio into the field, then click Save. This connects n8n directly to your Google AI Studio account. Next, inside the Gemini node, open the Model dropdown. Choose any model you want to use. Once that's done, click Execute Workflow to test the connection. n8n will now send a request to Google AI Studio using your API key and selected model. If everything runs successfully, your connection is working. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.